Yo guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can restore the new folder option. So you can see when I right click on my laptop, you can clearly see that the new folder option isn't really there. So I'm going to show you guys how we can figure out things, and the new folder option can also come. So first things first, you're going to press Windows R on your keyboard, and then after pressing this, you're going to type regedit. So, and then you hit enter. So when you press enter, this user account control prompt will appear, and then you need to accept yes, so that Registry editor can open. So this is where we are going to start our video from now. Now here you have to follow very closely. So here we are going to select the first part, which is HK class root here. So we select it. So when you select it, you can see we have already selected it. So you are going to scroll down and look for directory. So you scroll down. So components in Registry editor are listed in alphabetical orders. So you need to scroll down and then you go to D. After D, and then you look for D. This is DX. So ideal directory should be up a little. So directory is here. So I'm going to click on directory, and then we open it using this. And next is we click on background here. So we click on it, and then press that. So that we click on shellex here. So I'm going to click here, and then click on the arrow to open it. And then you can see the next thing is ContextMenuHandlers. So I'm going to select on it, and then open. So you can see here the files under ContextMenuHandlers. So we are going to come here, and then you right click, and then you come to new here, new, and then we click on key. So here we can call it new. You can just call it new. So after, we are going to click here. We are going to right click here and we press modify. So under these, the value name will be default, and then the value data, we are going to enter this value. I'm going to put it in the video description. So you click this value, you copy it, and then you paste it the way I did it, and then you hit enter. So you can see after hitting enter, you can just close your laptop, and then you restart your laptop. So after that, you can clearly see that the new option has come, and then it has the option of new folder. You can clearly see there is new folder, and all other things are now back. So basically that is how to do it. It changes automatically. So this is how we do it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. See you guys later.